This is called the Triple Warmer Spleen Hug, and it creates harmony between these two powerful energies. So first take your right hand and put it on your left side where your spleen is. Then take your left hand and put it over your right arm, just above the elbow. So now you are in that triple warmer and spleen hug, and just sink into it. Take it as a little meditation, and the more you do it, you will start feeling the pulses of these energies, like electrical cables connecting inside your body. And this should create more balance in your body and promote internal healing. And don't forget to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And stay there for a little bit. You can do it absolutely everywhere. If you are relaxing on the sofa, watching something, just remember you can do this. Or even if you are talking to somebody. Rather than doing this, just nothing against that, but you can also utilize it and do this exercise. So again, right hand on the left side where the spleen is, under your breast on the rib cage, and left hand over the right arm, just above that elbow.